A big deal in the food industry today as shares of Hostess Brands are surging after consumer goods company Smucker said it would acquire the Twinkies owner. Their transaction listing the deal at $5.6 billion. That does include debt, by the way. That's the total enterprise value of the transaction. We're talking about $34.25 a share is what Hostess shareholders will receive for this deal. That is 54% higher than the closing price back on August 24th. That's the last trading day. After that, there were some reports that there could potentially be a transaction. And the Wall Street Journal had reported there were a lot of different suitors for Hostess, among them General Mills, but that Smucker beat out the cereal maker to buy the company.
Yeah, it sounds like they're expecting this to close next year within the first 2 quarters of the year. So that's going to be interesting to see all of that come together with synergies, especially in production that they're going to be looking forward to as well here. I hope that they find some synergies for those bouncers that Hostess has, because my goodness, Smucker's needs to introduce some innovation on just keeping the bouncers together. They disintegrate way too quickly. Hopefully J.M. Smucker and Mark Smucker can answer that question for us.
They can put some jam in there.
The,
Peanut butter and jelly?
They got to do something.
Jelly bouncers? I don't know.
I mean, they should have come out with Uncrustables bouncers by now, but so maybe that's a brand that we can look forward to them putting some innovation around.
I mean, Hostess has had a really interesting journey, if you will, right? Because the company has been through 2 bankruptcies, 2 Chapter 11 filings in the past. Andy Callahan, who has been took the company on in its current iteration, has really pushed through price increases, has taken advantage of this current wave of snack popularity among the U.S. population, but also has struggled with, as has every packaged food company right now, between that volume and price calculation that's been so tricky during this time of inflation. But both the companies have been seeing growing sales.
Yeah.
So Smucker has been making a lot of acquisitions, and this is the latest.
Yeah, $1.3 billion in sales in 2022 for Hostess.